Sprinter EGR, and that's the B12 Chem Tool fuel injector cleaner. Just had this soaking in like this, and it actually works really well. You can see it springs back nicely. First thing I did was just clean the carbon. I moved the veins like this, and I just used a wire brush to clean all around, but it wouldn't snap back nicely. This is really smooth now, so I think that cleaner, just when it's soaking like this, it got in behind the shaft here. There's a shaft that runs through this little pipe, and I think there's some carbon, or was some carbon in there, but it's really springy again. So that's causing shuddering. When it sticks open, it causes like misfire symptoms when driving. This is a Sprinter diesel.